Good morning. It is Thursday. I'm late to work. This is my outfit. Wearing skirt. Never mind. You guys can't even see me. Well, I'll just quickly put on my boots. Let me get the boots quickly. So I'm wearing my Steve Maiden ankle boots. We're off. I ordered a couple of stuff, like a lot of stuff. So seeing just these two in this big box is just so funny. But anyways, let's unbox this. I know what this is. And this one also. This is a L'Oreal Vive Dream Lens Heat Protector Iron Spray. So it's supposed to be like a heat protector to protect your hair. You guys know my hair is now short, so I'm going to be styling it a lot with flat iron. So I got these heat protectors just to protect my hair from heat. So when I use it, it doesn't really affect my natural hair because I'm trying to go natural. God help me. And this one is supposed to be a mat for this office desk because I wanted something that I would not need to get a mouse pad. I wanted a color different from the one I got for my office. So I got a different color of mat for my office. I got like a beige color for my office, and this one I got like an off-white. So it's just going to almost look like my desk, although my desk is glass. I'll unbox it and put it here and show you guys what it looks like after I put it. It doesn't look a lot different, but it's just, you know, the little things just makes a difference. And my desk is a mess because my work laptop is on and also my editing laptop is on. I just finished working, so I'll show you guys when it's better. But my hair was just breaking, and I think I've gotten to a point where the hair was tired. You know, I've had that hair since high school. It's just time to just go fresh new hair, and let me see if I can do natural. Okay, so I got the I cut it short so it can grow out natural, and I'll try it. If it's something I cannot do, of course there's no pressure, I'll just go back to my regular relaxed hair, but this time I'll be more careful so it doesn't break as much. So no pressure to do natural. I'm just trying it out. It's something I've not done before. I want to try it out, and I see here in America that in the US a lot of people. Okay, my battery gave up on me while I was talking. So I was saying here in America, I noticed that a lot of people are natural. I was like thinking, when you see somebody's hair, their hair looks like, you know, relaxed or perm hair, and you ask them, oh, your hair is beautiful. Who did your relaxer? Or who relaxed your hair? Who permed your hair? And they're like, oh no, nobody did. It's natural. I have a stylist that styles my hair and it's natural. So I'm like, okay. That means if I get a good hairstylist and my hair is natural, I can actually make it work. Like, it looks like it's relaxed. I don't know what they do to it. I think there's something I heard they do keratin or something, but it looks like it's relaxed, but it's not relaxed. And if it's going to make my hair healthy, even if I know using it often is not too good too, but it's better than being perm, okay? So I'll just, let me try it out. Let me just try it out and see what I can do. Okay, so that is the plan, and it's almost the end of the day, but this evening I'll be going to Zara again. I love to shop at Zara because I just like to shop there. I got an email from them because I'm on their email list that they have new stuff in stock, so I'll just go and check what I can get and get it, because I'm in the process of changing my wardrobe. I don't want to like wear a lot of anyways, you guys will see on this channel as we progress, but I don't want to start saying it, but I want to change my wardrobe. I want to have a certain style of clothing, more mature, more growing up. Okay, so we need to stop dressing like kids, so I want to start dressing mature, and I'm trying to change my wardrobe bit by bit. I cannot just throw everything away. Okay, we're doing it gradually, but I need to go to Zara. Sometimes I go in there, I don't see anything, I'll come back. That way sometimes sometimes I see something I buy, I don't show you guys, but sometimes I go and I don't see anything, and I'm not afraid to come out without buying anything because somebody's putting a gun to my head to shop. But one thing that shopping does for me, it's very therapeutic. When I say this, it seems like it's a joke, but even if I go and I don't buy anything, as long as I was able to satisfy that urge, I went to the store, I walked through it, I saw for myself that there is nothing, my mind would be more at rest like than if I did not go. So with that being said, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Hurts so bad. This morning I was stretching to, what was I doing that? Okay, I was trying to make the bed, you know, and the way I just did the bed shape, if I can't tell very well, it's because I have an injury on my tongue. I don't know what they call it. I think they call it tongue ulcer. I don't know how that came about. I just finished brushing yesterday when I realized that I have an injury on my tongue. So as I was saying, I tried to arrange the bed, and I just felt a pain, sharp pain here, and I think it's a little dislocation on my backbone, but it's sprained or something, but it really hurts. So it is 3:02 p.m. here, Saturday. I'm home. I wanted to quickly in my office show you guys my hair. So in the last video that went up, that was going up on Sunday, I showed you guys that I cut my hair. So recently I've been trying to like style it as in fact, since I cut it, I have not styled it. I've just used it the same way the stylist did it, because that girl charged me $189 just to cut my hair. I can go to a barbing salon and they will cut it and style it for me, and I'm sure I'm not going to pay up to $100, but I paid almost $200 just to cut and style my hair. So I saw everything she did. What she kept telling me, I used bond But what, all those things she said, I have them, I bought them. I'll put the name of this conditioner and shampoo she used. I think number 5 and number 4. I have them here. That's what I even use for Isabel's hair. And I'll use it on my hair when I want to wash my hair. But I don't have a plan of washing this hair until like a month. But I've been using like oil to keep it so it's still shiny and all, so it's not dry and frizzy. But it was so expensive that I can't go to the store and be paying $200 whenever I want to style this hair, and so every time I want to wear a wig, you know. So I decided to get my one of the things I ordered from Amazon in the last vlog. You guys saw that was heat protector and a hot flat iron. So the flat iron I ordered from Amazon, I had this one here. I had it at home. This is what I've been using, like I just have in the house, even if I don't do a lot of flat iron except for my wigs. So I wanted something mini because this hair, the back is even a little shorter than the front. So I can use it to be, you know, flat ironing this hair and just style it whenever I want to style it. Let me show you guys the back and tell me if I did a good job, because I didn't see my back. I just roughly did it. It's not perfect. I don't even plan for it to be perfect. I just want it to be something I can walk on the road with without wearing a wig. Okay, so yeah, and Amazon brought what I saw on the site. I typed mini flat iron, and it brought this one. Tell me if this one and this one are not the same thing. They're just literally the same thing. So obviously I'm going to return it. I hate making returns, as I said, but in cases like this you don't have a choice. I'll return it because it's the same thing with what I already have at home. Then I have a plan of, after cleaning up, I already had my bath, so I'll just change my outfit. This is my normal house. Whenever I'm at home, I have outfits I wear in the house, and I have outfits I wear when I go out. I'll go to Walmart and get a toaster. I think there's this toaster I got from Target. I don't like it because I used to keep it on top of my kitchen cabinet counter, and I want something very beautiful that is going to stay there and also add beauty, you know, to my mini kitchen. But that one wasn't just giving me. It was black, it was silver. I didn't like it, so I'm going to get another one. This one is not too expensive. It's from Walmart, and it's the dupe for the expensive. I don't care. I'll just get the one that I like, as long as it works and it's cute. Buy just like this cup I have. I got the, what is it called, the simple modern cup. Everyone is getting Stanley. I like Stanley, I'm not going to lie, but I also like the simple modern. So all I wanted in Stanley is that they didn't have it. I had to go with simple modern because they had the color I wanted and stuff. So this life, whatever you can't kill yourself. It's not, all those things are not worth killing yourself for. So whatever is available, as long as it still fits the same purpose and it's beautiful, it's cute, why not just forget the name and get it. So I'll quickly change my outfit and head off to Walmart. The Walmart that has it is about, I think, 20 or 30 minutes from my house. This Walmart around here is all out of stock. I just placed in stock in the Walmart that I'm going to, and that's the only Walmart around here that has it. This hair has refused to sleep. It's way fatter than the other one. So at some point I still have to look for a mini flat iron for it to work properly the way I want it to work, because this is not really mini for my hair, you know. It's not mini, but it's cute, it's beautiful, it's giving a vintage classy look, which is what I'm going for. I had the mind of like combing it, but I won't comb it. I'll comb it on Monday when I want to go to work. I'll comb it and go to work with it. I don't want to wear wig this week. I'm done with wig for this week, so I'll let my hair get a break from wig. Then very soon, within the month or the week progresses, I'll get a sewing. I have to book like how many months ahead, how many weeks ahead. The girl, her spaces fills up so fast, and I would like to get the hair from her and sewing too from her. So whenever I get to, she has time or space for me, I'll go get it done. But for now, I just have to keep rocking this hair. I don't even have plans of braiding my hair anytime soon. I want this my scalp to just get a break, okay, from anything too much pressure, just till it grows out well. I think I've been talking for 7 minutes. I'll talk to you guys. This ministry is growing and strong. If you missed a chance to give, Stella.